Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 20 things that you can do with PLR content. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Number 1, lead magnet. Well, the first one is lead magnets because it's the number one thing people think about when they're creating a product. They're usually thinking about building their list or looking for ways to get people where they can email to them on a regular basis. So usually you'll find that lead magnets or a PLR content that can be used to draw people in so they can sign up to their email list, their autoresponder email list, it's usually the first thing they think of when they purchase a PLR product. Number 2, videos. Now in number 2, you can actually turn them into videos. Now if you have, say for example, a PLR article or an ebook, you can either turn that into a course or content for your membership site or one of those sort of places. There's a lot of things you can do with PLR content, and you can turn it into videos as well. Number 3, article directories. Now don't underestimate the power of article directories. They can still be an excellent place to be able to send backlinks to your blog posts and to your website. So if you say, for example, create some article directories and so forth, you can use your PLR content to write articles where you can upload them into article directories as long as you've done some editing to them and so forth. And then once you've done all that, it can link back to your blog posts, your website, or wherever you happen to want to direct it to. Number 4, content upgrades and bonuses. Now don't underestimate the power of content upgrades and bonuses, because this immediately increases your income. And by doing that, you're allowing not only your income, but also the income of any affiliates who happen to be promoting your product for you. And this gives opportunity for you to generate more revenue for yourself. Quite often you'll find the majority of the revenue you make is from the back end. So if you put all your profits on the front end, you're more likely to lose money than you will if you look at upgrading and giving them upgrades, because the upgrades are where you'll make most of your money. Number 5, live streams. Quite often when you've done a number of live streams over the years, you'll find that you get to a point where you kind of run out of ideas and you need to come up with content for your live streams. Live streams are great for people like gamers. They're great for things like people who are teaching on a particular niche, because it can also allow people to encourage people to sign up to their back-end course or their coaching or whatever it happens to be, because people get to know the person who's doing the stream, and it allows them to feel comfortable enough to go, yes, I trust this person enough to give them my money to upgrade onto their back-end offer. So live streams are fantastic for that. So you'll need some content sometimes to be able to do that, and PLR content is really great for that. Number 6, podcasts. Podcasts. A lot of times people like to listen to podcasts in things like their car or wherever they happen to be going. And if they can do it through when they're working or when they're heading to work or wherever they happen to be going, that's usually an MP3 or something that people can download, not to be confused with live streams or webinars. Podcasts are usually designed as an MP3, and they are a revenue stream and also a fantastic way for you to use your PLR content for that. Number 7, create new digital products. Now this one is near and dear to my heart, creating digital products. Now obviously creating digital products is something that you can do with PLR content. You can turn them into video courses, you can turn them into audio courses, podcasts and so forth, you can turn them into webinars. You can use them and create a brand new product of your own that you can launch as your own product. And this way people will jump on board and sell it for you as well. So that's another revenue and another way in how you can be making money for yourself online. Number 8, webinars. Like live streams, you can hold a webinar, it can go for an hour or two. You can lead people into a funnel where you can allow people to start purchasing products at the end of the webinar. It's usually designed to lead people in that direction. However, it doesn't have to be done that way. You can use your PLR content to help you to come up with information that is going to be valuable to your audience so that they can listen to your webinar or they can watch your webinar and they can really feel they're getting value for what they're doing and what they're watching. Number 9, coaching handouts. Now, if you happen to be a coach or anything like that, quite often you'll have a lot of things that you will want to give to your clients. And one of the things you'll want to do is have something easily at hand that you don't have to create from scratch, especially if it coincides with what you're teaching. If it's good content and it's good PLR content, then you can just hand that straight out to your coaching clients, to your paying coaching clients. And this way, people can get the information they need and it's easy at hand for you as well. Number 10, physical products. You might be thinking to yourself, physical products? What sort of things can I use my PLR content for to make physical products? Well, if you're thinking of, say for example, a store or merchandise store, for example, ones that does do cups and t-shirts and blankets and things like that, you can get quotes or things from these ebooks that you can use and put onto t-shirts, cups and mugs and various things like that. And you can make money selling those. So that's another thing you can do by using your PLR content, is you can put it onto physical merchandise that can then sell on places like Redbubble and places like that. Number 11, audiobooks. Now another thing you can do is obviously create audiobooks. If, say for example, you've got an ebook and you want to turn them into an audiobook, that is a fantastic way to use PLR content. You can change up the content, put your own voice to it, make it sound more like you, and then you can read it out yourself, or you can hire someone to do it for you, or you can use some software. Either or, you can turn it into an audiobook that people can listen to, and you can make money through doing that as well. Number 12, blog posts. Beyond a doubt, this is perhaps the most utilized way people use PLR content. They turn it into blog posts. And this way, it keeps feeding the algorithm, Google's algorithm that is. It keeps feeding Google's algorithm, so it draws people and drives people to your blog posts. Now, by having PLR content use it for your blog posts, you're adding value to your readers, especially if you have avid readers who are loving your content and constantly going to absorb and to really get into what you're teaching. So blog posts are a fantastic way of using your PLR content. Number 13, viral graphics. Now this one is particularly good if you have a following on places like Instagram or Pinterest or places like that that mainly deal with images. You can also get some viral graphics, or use viral graphics I should say, on places like Facebook as well, because people love inspirational quotes and that sort of thing, and viral images will often be able to lead people to your website, your videos, your courses, or whatever it is you happen to be doing, whatever you link to those images. So viral images are really, really awesome for that particular purpose. And people can also go into Google Images, search for a particular image, and who knows, your image may well come up so that they click on it and get directed straight to your site. And that's a way you can also use your PLR content. Number 14, membership sites. Now I've already briefly touched on this one, but membership sites, quite often you need to be able to come up with more and more content to be able to feed into your membership site so as people don't get bored with your site. They don't want to go to a site which isn't constantly getting updated. So by having content that's getting updated all the time, people can go to your site, they can use the information you've got, and they can then have refreshed information, where fresh information that can actually feed them for what they're doing. And this way they don't leave your site or unsubscribe or choose to not pay you a constant monthly revenue. This is going to help you in the end and in the long run, because it's going to help you be able to maintain your revenue. Really, membership sites can be your bread and butter when it comes to creating a monthly revenue for yourself. Number 15, infographics. Infographics. Now, infographics are not to be confused with viral images. Now, infographics are fantastic for things like websites and any online content that you might have. It could be for your video course or video products. Images that can be used on things like your PowerPoint presentations, whatever your infographics happen to be about. You can actually be selling packs of infographics or using those infographics as part of a bonus or something along those lines. It can be used as another stream of revenue for yourself. So if you can manage to get hold of PLR infographics, that is a great way of making money online. Number 16, social posts. Social posts. Sometimes people just get mental blanks as to what to put on their social sites, on social medias, for example, Facebook, or whatever happen to be their social media site they're in. Now, sometimes people come to a point where they get absolutely confused as to what to put in. It allows people to be able to share content, share ideas, share views, and have it backed up by using PLR content. Number 17, emails. You might have an email course, or you may be looking at trying to figure out what sort of content you want to be able to send out to your email list. You know, PLR content can be amazing for that sort of thing, because it gives you ideas, it gives value to your customers, and also it allows people to feel as though you're engaging with them on their email list, and they're less likely to unsubscribe. So my suggestion would be, use your PLR content for your email list as well. Number 18, video courses. Another awesome way you can create money for yourself online and using PLR content is to create video courses. You can then upload them on places like Udemy or Skillshare or Teachable, and this allows people to be able to see you've got amazing content out there. You can use things like software such as Vidnami, which I'll leave a link down below for, so you'll be able to use it to create video courses and even do product launches. So PLR content is amazing for that as well. Number 19, YouTube video content. Okay, now I'm currently using PLR content on another channel that I'm using. Not on this channel, but on another channel that I do. And I use PLR content on that. And I have to say, it's really awesome. I use Vidnami once again. And I have to say, it's really super easy to be able to create content for that. By using your PLR content for YouTube, you're making it so much easier for yourself. So PLR content for YouTube videos. And last but not least, your own PLR store. Now this is one that not a lot of people actually talk about. If you have a lot of PLR content, why not start your own PLR store? This way you can be selling master resale rights, personal use rights, and if you have unrestricted PLR licenses, you can also sell the PLR rights to that as well. So my suggestion would be, if you want to be able to start a really great, awesome revenue for yourself, try creating a PLR store of your very own. You'll be quite surprised how good a revenue stream that can be for you. Okay guys, that's all there is for this particular video. Now if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.